PKG fabricates pollution control equipment for steel mills, metal finishing companies, chemical processors, glass plants, environmental treatment facilities, and pharmaceutical manufacturers. We can assist with your project whether you're putting in your first system or upgrading an old one for environmental compliance. In addition to equipment fabrication, we also design and install your ventilation and wastewater treatment systems, taking advantage of our experience with each industry's unique needs. Equipment for these systems can be fabricated using PVC, CPVC, polypro, polyethylene, fiberglass, stainless steel, or other specialty metals for corrosion resistance. Our top-of-the-line components and a relentless attention to detail mean your system works effectively and requires minimal maintenance. Environmental compliance is an important part of manufacturing. So before you put your name on it, put our name behind it. PKG Equipment.